welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Daisy Monet. I'm back with another video. So today's video is going to be like a little calm, little relaxing, chill little moment. Today I'll be sharing my skincare routine with you guys. And you know, just relaxing, doing a nice little face mask and all that. So yeah, that's what today's video is going to consist of. I'm fresh off work, so this is the perfect time to do this video, y'all. I have been waiting to do this video. And I've just been so tired because I've just started a new job or whatnot. So I just get home and just hop straight into bed. Honestly, I've been skipping my skincare routine and my face is fed up. So we're gonna get right back into the habit of doing my skincare because my skin was clearing up. I'm gonna pop like a before picture in because my skin still looks better than what it did before. But that's beside the point. Y'all came to see my skincare routine. So we're gonna just hop right into it. If you are new, however, please be sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys do enjoy this video. Comment down below any other videos you want to see. Let me know if I want to see like a full night routine video, a shower routine video, whatever it is y'all want to see. Just let me know down below in the comment section and I'll get that out to you guys. So yeah, let's just hop straight into today's video, tonight's video, whatever you want to call it. The freaking face wash that I usually use is not in this bathroom. It's not in my mother's bathroom because it's better lighting in here. But I'm gonna go grab it first because I go back and forth between two face washes. I use this one, y'all. This is Share It Cosmetics. So yeah, this is really good. Honestly, I do use this one, but the one that I've usually been using is by Ofa. So I'm gonna go grab that and I'll be back. So I use the Ofa Vitamin C Cleanser. It says refreshing and gentle cleanser that removes dirt, oil, and leftover makeup. So this is what it looks like. Pretty old. I've been using this and it's been helping my skin a lot. So I'm going to wash my face with this right quick. I'll just be putting this on because I don't want to mess up my edges. Okay. So before I even wash my face, I'm just gonna take this here and wipe my face off completely. I get these from Amazon and they usually just come like flat and then you wet it and then you use it. I use mine for like 1 or 2 uses, honestly. Now don't come for me in the comments, you know, you might want to use yours once, but I use mine like at least twice. We're gonna take these off. I did put a little bit of makeup on today, not a full face. I just did my eyebrows. But I'm just gonna wipe some of that makeup off. And like, since I'm using it for makeup, I'm actually gonna throw it away. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. So I'm gonna just wipe that off. Get as much of that product off that I can beforehand. Even though this removes makeup really well as well, I just want to get some of it off. So that's that. I swear, my eyeliner, this new glue that I use is like an eyeliner as well, and it be on my eyes for like 3 days, and I promise y'all, I be washing my face, it just be stuck, like, it just really be stuck. It's not coming off. My eyes are sensitive, so I just be like, forget it. But for the most part, it should be off. If y'all have any recommendations on how to get that off, let me know down below. But yeah, I just take like 2 pumps of this in my hand. This is the consistency of it. If y'all can see that, it's kind of like, yeah. I'm gonna take like 2 pumps. And as we know, vitamin C helps brighten the skin, so it's been helping get rid of my dark marks. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys a before and after picture so you guys will see how bad they were beforehand.
can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen. Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it.
Take the same sponge and kind of get that excess off. And this sponge is kind of like a light exfoliant, so some days I do exfoliate, but today is not one of them days. It's like slight dirt on there, but my face is pretty much clean. So now, after face wash, you could really use whichever face wash works for you. But like I said, I either use this one or this one. So yeah, those are the two that I've been using recently. With this toner, which is by the same brand as the first face wash that I showed you guys. If I'm not mistaken, Ari gets facials by the guy that makes these products. So yeah, they're really good products, and they actually really help your skin. He's like a cosmetologist, a dermatologist, I mean. So yeah, but I'm gonna just spritz this over my face. I usually would take like a cotton ball and spray it and then wipe it over my face, but I can't find no cotton balls. So, oh, I'm not even spraying my face. Like, that was a fail. So yeah, that's that. Now I kind of just make sure it's all over, so I just rub it and let it set. And after I tone, I will usually exfoliate. Not doing that today. Now we just get into the relaxing part. So I'll be back. So this part of the video was actually sponsored by Patchology. They were kind enough to send me this bubbly face mask. So this is their hydrogel brightening face mask, and it's also like a chilling sensation. So you can leave this in the refrigerator for the best results, or like best, you know, like relaxation or whatnot. So that's what I did. I just got it out of the refrigerator. And yeah, so this is their brightening face mask. It has orange extract, basically vitamin C, which is going to help those dark marks and those blemishes and help brighten the skin overall, not even just, you know, the dark marks. Niacinamide and resveratrol. Don't know what that is. Open this bad boy up. Like I said, I left mine in the refrigerator, so it's gonna definitely be like a chilling sensation. I have been wanting to try these masks for a very long time, so now that I got one, I'm pretty excited. So just unwrap it. Oh, it's dripping. Okay, hold on now. Let me unwrap you first. And what the? So this is what the mask looks like. Oh, it feels so good, bro. It feels so fire. Like, I'm not even lying. This feels fire. Now, oh my god, I'm definitely gonna purchase some of these. These feel so good. My recommendation would be to chill the mask. Like, definitely chill the mask. It feels so good.
She make the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. I can put you in a log cabin somewhere in Aspen.
Like, oh my god.
Girl, ain't nothing to the pain, ain't tricking if you got it, what you asking for. Put you in a mansion somewhere in Wisconsin. Like I said, ain't nothing to the pain, we can change the last name, what's happening? Cause you look so good. Tell me why you wanna work here. I put you on the front page of a King magazine, but you gon' get yourself hurt here. Hey, baby, I brought you in the back just to have a conversation. Really think you need some ventilation. Let's talk about you and me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, and you don't understand. She made the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. She hit the main stage. She made the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. I can put you in the condo, all the way up in Toronto. Baby, put you in the fur coat, riding in the Murcielago. I put you in the beach house, right on the edge of Costa Rica. Put one of them little flowers in your hair, have you looking like a fly, mamacita. Fuego, cause you look so good, you make me wanna spin it all on you. Get about this club, slide with your boy and we can do what you wanna. Yeah, baby, I brought you in the back cause you need a little persuasion, plus you need a little ventilation. Let's talk about you, yeah, me. Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me, me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No, and you don't understand. She made the people say yeah, yeah, yeah. She make the people say yeah.
She make the people say
yeah.
She make the people say yeah. Now I can put your out. Oh, and keep running your mouth. And if your brothers come tripping, I'ma show them with these teardrops falling. Shawty, I was just playing. Oh, but I can take it to the grave, man. I and them have you screaming. I don't think we'll be making love on the beach. The people see what we doing. Now they pointing, ooh, and oh, but we gon' keep on doing. Yeah, like it just me and you and no one else around. It went down on the balcony. And the lights out flipping, how sweet. Shorty like I'm out about the penthouse sheets. That's why I got on my penthouse sheets.
Oh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me. Me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely.
And I can't
no. Ooh, I can't believe it. Ooh, she all on me. Me. I think she want me. Nah, I can't leave her lonely. No. You don't understand. She made the people say yeah. She made the people say yeah.
She out so much, but it's also not culture like
she all on me. I think she want me. I can't leave her lonely. No. You don't understand. She made the people say yeah.
Y'all, I probably put too much of everything that I use, but you know, it's okay. But you know, you could be as light or as heavy with your product as you please, because you spend your money on it, and the more you use, that's not like gonna help it clear up any faster. But you know, I'm just heavy-handed with everything that I do, like, literally. So even if it's on accident, I just still just leave it on there and just roll it in, because it's never too much. Never too much moisturizer anyway. Your girl face might dry out overnight. But yeah. So it says for soft and glowing skin. Wow. My alarm must go off, but luckily we're done. So I guess, you know, good night. Toodles, you guys. I'm so sorry for the noise. But you know, this is what the skin is giving. It's very much glowing, even though, you know, I still have my dark marks and whatnot. And I have a bump coming in right here, but that's besides the point. It's very much radiant and glowing and looking healthy. This mask definitely played a lot into that. So if you guys haven't tried this mask, it will be linked down below, you guys. And I'm so sorry for the noise, but I'll just finish closing out this video in the morning, if anything, because I'm gonna eat and go to bed. So I'll holler. Bye, you guys.